Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I want to send a big shout out to all the supporters and subscribers. Without all of y'all, I couldn't make this happen. So enough respect. See? Silent. Big up yourself. Yeah. Now, look at the screen in front of you. It's the notorious BEBE, the man who started the scamming thing in Jamaica, as you all know. Now, Politics Watch did a story on scamming. So I'm not going to go too much into it because everybody know he's the one who bring the scamming to Jamaica. And everybody know that he was gay. He was a fish. Now, what a lot of people don't know, that this guy was fucking most of the bad man them in and around Granville. Because he's from Granville in Montego Bay. And not only that, this guy was the baddest Battyman gunman in Montego Bay at the time, or Granville. Now, he had a gun connection where he might run the machine them. So most of the man them, he must supply certain man. He was running for councillor. He was in the PNP, as where other bloggers talk about. And I guess he was giving lots of money. But he was having sex with most of the bad man then in our Granville and around the gun then. Rumor of it on the streets, and it's alleged that he was killed, get rid of, by a member of the PNP hierarchy. That's the rumor, that's the alleged story, that the PNP, one of the highest member in the PNP government at the time, our party, got rid of this guy. Yo, y'all see how Jamaica is crazy? Some of these stories coming out of here in Jamaica, it traumatized me. Me have PTSD. I might have to go see a psychologist from dealing with these stories. Now you have Mr. Game up here, and he was one of the baddest man in Granville, Mobile, if not Mobile. He's running the gun. I even heard that one time you had the big gun boss at the port in Mobile. I heard he was involved in that. You see how notorious this Mr. Game Mobile is? So, yeah, traumatized dog, straight up. Traumatized with them story, yo. Yeah, we might have to go see a psychologist, because it's mind-boggling, some of the stories that are coming out of Jamaica. It's like a modern day Sodom and Gomorrah. Yeah. This guy, what has Jamaica gone to? No, a blogger made a point that he was wearing dress and skirts and stuff like that. And everybody turned a blind eye because he's a bad man. And he have a whole heap of money. And he's running the guns. And he's aligned with the People's National Party, who eventually got rid of him. He was collateral damage. You see what I'm saying? Now, my name is Countryman. Like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, and I'll keep the fire burning. Peace out.